Best Robot Vacuum. Looking for the best robot vacuum to keep your floors clean with less effort? You're in the right place. In this video, we're checking out some of the best robot vacuums you can get right now, including models with powerful suction, smart mapping, mopping, pet hair cleaning, and self-emptying features. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or pets at home, these robot vacuums can make everyday cleaning much easier. So let's compare their key features, cleaning performance, and smart functions to help you find the right one for your home. Let's get started with our top picks for the best robot vacuums. Number 5. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Color: cool gray. Weight: 15.3 pounds. Category: Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Review script. If you want a robot vacuum that can handle everyday messes with less hands-on work, the Shark AI Ultra is worth a look. It's designed for both carpets and hard floors, with strong suction and a self-cleaning brush roll that can be especially useful in homes with pets. One feature that stands out is Matrix Clean. Instead of simply passing over an area once, the robot uses a grid-style cleaning pattern to make multiple passes over messes. Its LiDAR navigation also helps create a detailed map of your home, while obstacle avoidance helps it navigate around common objects. The XL self-empty base is another major convenience. It can hold up to 60 days of collected dirt and doesn't require disposable bags. Battery information is listed as up to 120 minutes, while Shark's product description also mentions up to 90 minutes of runtime, so actual cleaning time can vary. You can control it through the app or compatible voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra looks like a practical choice for automated everyday cleaning, especially for homes with pets. Pros: strong suction for carpets and hard floors. Bagless self-empty base with up to 60-day capacity. LiDAR mapping and obstacle avoidance. Cons: actual runtime can vary by cleaning conditions. 15.3-pound weight makes the unit relatively substantial. Advanced features may require some initial setup. Specs and configurations. Model: AV2511AE. Surface: carpet and hard floors. Battery: lithium-ion. Listed battery life: 120 minutes. Capacity: 0.27 gallons. Control: app and voice. Compatible: Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. Navigation: LiDAR home mapping. Self-empty base, bagless, up to 60 days. Warranty: 1 year limited. Number 4. ROPVACNIC S1 Robot Vacuum. Color: light black. Weight: 3.3 kilograms. Category: Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Review script. Looking for a robot vacuum that can also mop your floors? The ROPVACNIC S1 combines both jobs in one compact machine, making it a practical option for everyday cleaning. The first thing that stands out is its 5,200 Pascal suction power. It offers 3 power levels and is designed for hardwood floors and low-pile carpets, while the dual side brushes help collect dust and pet hair around the floor. The brush design is also intended to reduce hair tangling. Mopping is another useful feature. The electronically controlled water tank provides 4 water adjustment levels, so you can customize how much water the robot uses. You can also choose different cleaning modes and adjust settings through the app. Navigation is handled with obstacle avoidance sensors, and the robot can automatically return to its charging base when needed. It supports app, remote, and voice control, including Alexa and Google Home devices. Pros: 5,200 Pascal suction with 3 power levels. Vacuuming and electronically controlled mopping in one unit. App, remote, and voice control options. Cons: designed primarily for hardwood and low-pile carpets. 120-minute listed battery life may vary with settings. Advanced settings may take some time to configure. Specs and configurations. Model: S1. Suction: 5,200 pascals. Battery: lithium-ion. Listed battery life: 120 minutes. Water adjustment: 4 levels. Power levels: 3. Surface: hardwood floors, low-pile carpets. Control: app, remote, voice. Compatible devices: Amazon Echo, Google Home. Filter: multi-layer high-efficiency filtration. Dimensions: 12 by 12 by 2.99 inches. Weight, 3.3 kilograms. Functions, vacuuming, mopping, auto-docking, obstacle avoidance. Overall, the ROPVACNIC S1 looks like a solid choice if you want automated vacuuming and mopping without using separate devices. Its strongest appeal is the combination of adjustable cleaning, strong suction, and multiple control options in a compact robot. Number 3. Tikom G8000 Max Robot Vacuum. Color, black. Weight, 5.3 pounds. Category, robot vacuum and mop cleaner. Review script. The Tikom G8000 Max is built for people who want their robot vacuum to handle more than just basic floor pickup. It combines vacuuming and mopping in one device, with enough cleaning options to fit different areas around the home. Its 5,000 Pascal suction power is designed to pick up dust, debris, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets, including short and medium pile carpet. The 450 milliliters dustbin and 300 milliliters water tank also let it vacuum and mop during the same cleaning session. Another useful feature is its 150-minute maximum battery life in quiet mode. When the battery gets low, the robot automatically returns to its charging base. You can control it using the app, remote, voice commands, or the onboard button, and there are 4 cleaning modes including spot, edge, zigzag, and manual. At just about 3 inches tall, it can also reach underneath many beds, sofas, and cabinets. Overall, the G8000 Max looks like a versatile option for everyday floor cleaning, especially if you want vacuuming and mopping together. Pros: 5,000 Pascal suction for dust, debris, and pet hair. Vacuuming and mopping can run simultaneously. Up to 150 minutes of battery life in quiet mode. Cons: 300 milliliters water tank may require refilling during larger jobs. Advanced controls may take some setup. Best suited to everyday home floor cleaning rather than deep cleaning. Specs and configurations. Model, G8000 Max. Suction, 5,000 pascals. Battery, lithium-ion. Battery life, up to 150 minutes in quiet mode. Dustbin, 450 milliliters. Water tank, 300 milliliters. Cleaning modes, 4. Power levels, 4. Filter, HEPA. Control, app, remote, voice button. Surface, hard floors, short and medium pile carpets. Noise level, 45 dB. Dimensions, 12.6 by 12.6 by 3 inches. Weight, 5.3 pounds. Features, anti-collision, anti-fall, vacuum and mop. Overall, the Tikom G8000 Max offers a well-rounded feature set for routine cleaning. Its combination of strong suction, multiple controls, long-listed runtime, and simultaneous mopping makes it a practical choice for homes with mixed flooring and pet hair. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Plus 405. Color, matte black. Weight, 5 kilograms. Category, robot vacuum and mop. Review script. If you want a robot vacuum that takes care of both vacuuming and mopping, the iRobot Roomba Plus 405 brings a pretty complete setup to the floor. It combines strong suction, dual spinning mop pads, and an auto-wash dock designed to handle much of the maintenance automatically. The cleaning system uses a multi-surface rubber brush, an edge sweeping brush, and 4 suction levels. 4 tougher messes, Smart Scrub adds extra scrubbing action, while the dual spinning mop pads are designed to provide more intensive floor cleaning. Navigation is another highlight. Clearview LiDAR helps the robot map your home quickly and navigate from room to room, while anti-fall sensors help it avoid stairs. The mop pads can also lift when the robot detects carpet, allowing it to move between different surfaces. The auto-wash dock is particularly convenient, with automatic dirt emptying, mop pad washing, refreshing, and drying. iRobot lists up to 75 days of auto-emptying and up to 4 weeks of mopping maintenance. Pros: strong vacuuming and dual-pad mopping system. LiDAR mapping with room-by-room navigation. Auto-wash dock handles emptying, washing, and drying. Cons: the dock has a large overall footprint. 120-minute listed battery life may vary by cleaning mode. More advanced features can require initial app setup. Specs and configurations. Model, Roomba Plus 405/G181020. Surface, carpet and hard floors. Battery, lithium-ion. Listed battery life, 120 minutes. Dust capacity, 0.5 liters. Cleaning path width, 5.8 inches. Power levels, 4. Control, app, push button, voice. Navigation, clear view LiDAR. Mopping, dual spinning mop pads. Dock, auto wash dock. Features, self-emptying, auto mop washing, auto docking, anti-fall. Dimensions, 15 by 19.8 by 18.5 inches. Weight, 5 kilograms. Overall, the Roomba Plus 405 looks like a strong option for people who want to automate both vacuuming and mopping. Its biggest advantage is the combination of smart navigation and a dock that takes care of several maintenance tasks for you. Number 1. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Color, dark gray. Weight, 14.4 pounds. Category, Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Review script. If pet hair, dust, and everyday debris are constantly finding their way onto your floors, the Shark AI Ultra AV2501S is designed to take over that cleaning routine automatically. It works across carpets and hard floors while combining strong suction with smart navigation. One of its key features is Matrix Clean. Instead of simply making one pass, the robot follows a precise grid pattern and makes multiple passes over areas with dirt and debris. The 360-degree LiDAR system also maps your home and helps the vacuum navigate around objects. For pet owners, the self-cleaning brush roll is a useful addition because it is designed to pick up pet hair while reducing hair buildup around the brush. The base is also bagless and can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris, while the HEPA filtration system is designed to capture 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns. You can schedule cleanings or start the robot through the app or compatible voice assistants. Overall, the AV2501S looks like a practical choice for automated pet hair and everyday floor cleaning. Pros. Matrix Clean provides multiple cleaning passes. 360 degrees LiDAR mapping and object detection. Bagless HEPA self-empty base with 30-day capacity. Cons. No mopping function is included. 14.4 pound weight makes it relatively substantial. 120-minute listed runtime can vary with cleaning conditions. Specs and configurations. Model, AV2501S. Surface, carpets and hard floors. Battery, lithium-ion. Listed battery life, 120 minutes. Filter, foam. Control, app voice. Compatible devices, Amazon Alexa, Google Home. Navigation, 360 degrees LiDAR home mapping. Self-empty base, bagless, 30-day capacity. Brush roll self-cleaning. Features, pet hair pickup, self-emptying, matrix clean. Dimensions, 13.7 by 13.7 by 4.1 inches. Weight, 14.4 pounds. Warranty, 1-year limited warranty. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra AV2501S focuses on powerful automated vacuuming rather than mopping. With LiDAR mapping, matrix clean, a self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration, it makes the most sense for households looking for a dedicated robot vacuum, particularly those dealing with pet hair.